things that happened, and we broke up. Then we came back into relationship after 1 year. So if you say it's destiny, that brought us back together, and I think today we are getting married even after being on a breakup for 1 year.
मैं ठहरा यहाँ बेख्याली थी, फिर भी मैं ठहरा, रोशनी भी
That is very understanding, that he takes care of things that even I miss out at times, and he accepts me the way I am. So that's the most important thing, I guess.
अनजान था यहाँ तक सफर, तू जो मिली मुझको मिल गया सफर.
We never had any proposal. He never proposed me. Even when I asked him to do it, so he took me to a restaurant and he just gave me the ring. That was it. It was not a proper proposal.
हर बात में तू, अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरी दिलासा भी तू, अब मैं क्या करूं.
Hello, mic texting. Text.
She mentioned me because we were a bit, at times childish as well. She mentioned me, "You're an idiot." So I took out, okay, I do ishq only tumse. So that's how things started. It's like, okay, so you love me and I love you. That's when she asked me, "Do you love me?" Then I said, "Yes, I do love you. Do you love me?"
राहों में तन्हा हूँ, साथ ले चलूं, संग तेरे सफर पूरा करूं. राहों में तन्हा हूँ, साथ ले चलूं, संग तेरे सफर पूरा.
So he would understand why I have done what I have done, and he will take care of it even if I was wrong.
जिंदगी तू है मेरी सांस, रहना तू पास हर घड़ी, तू दे दे मेरा साथ, थाम ले हाथ चाहे जो भी हो.
When she smiles, I feel peace. I feel, okay, she is the one. That if she's smiling because of me, that is the reason that I feel this is something that I am capable of, and I'm feeling very proud of it. That's how I feel about her smile and about her care. To be very honest, she আমার কো রাগ হোক or ভালোবাসুক যেটাই করুক, আমার যদি কিছু একটা খরচও লেগে যায়, she will be the first one to react and calm down. এখনো যদি কিছু হয় দৌড়ে দৌড়ে এখানে চলে আসবে. She won't care about anyone else or anything else. That's how she cares about me.
কাছে এসো, আধার জীবনে আলো করো, ভালোবাসি আমি কত তোমায়, রাঙা করো সেই অনুরাগে আমার.